So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be reviewing a very useful gadget for bikers which I found lately. I am sure a lot of you already know about it, but I'm also sure that a lot of people are not aware of it and they can really benefit from it. So let me show you what the gadget is. So this is the mount. It's supposed to be pasted here so you can mount your camera without a lot of hassle. It's very easy, plus it keeps the visor completely closed. So what is different about it? I used to have this mount for a couple of years, and it worked well. I mean, I had some issues with it, but I didn't have any other solution until now. So this is big compared to something like this, right? And then it has weight too, plus it has this velcro, needs to go through the helmet, and then you have to tie it, and then after a few hours of usage or a few days of usage, maybe I had to tighten it every day as far as I remember. And then it was a little bulky, plus when you put the camera on top of it, then it gets heavier, right? Versus something like this, you just stick it, then mount your camera, and that's it, you're done. So now I'm gonna install this on my helmet, and then I'm going to mount the camera on top of it, and then I'm going to show you how neat it looks. So this is the older mount, and I'm going to show you how we install it. So it comes on top of the helmet, and then through here there are no areas or holes or anything through which you can take these velcros inside the helmet. So it has to be around the helmet, and then you have to you know tie the velcro. This is how you do it. You have to place it again, tighten the velcro, put it on. So I have always kept it installed on my helmets. Now I've tightened this one. Now I will tighten this one, and we'll be good to go. Once you've installed it, it's not that much difficult, but you also have to make sure that both the ends have equal length, otherwise you can't tie it properly. So anyways, so this is how it works. So once it's installed, this is how it looks. So this is the mount. It works fine, but it just gets loose after a while. Abhi to see it's completely tight. I have the action cam. It's the Insta360 Go 3, and you can easily mount it on this helmet. You can also mount the DJI Action 5 Pro, which I did. This is a magnetic mount for that. So all you have to do is put this in and then tighten it with the screw, and that's it. And then you're able to take out your camera whenever you want. If you have a magnetic mount, which is just available in the DJI Action 5 Pro. It has also now been introduced in the GoPro 13, but then you have to buy that separately, so the whole deal becomes very expensive. So I decided to go for the DJI Action 5 Pro Adventure Kit, and I'll do a review about that kit as well. But this is what comes in the box with it, and then you can just put this on here and just mount your camera. Okay, but now I'm going to show you the better mount and the better motovlogging setup. So you take the mount from Motovibe India, and then you take the action cam mount on which you will install the action cam, and it just fits in very easily. As you can see, I'll take it out again and show you how easy it is. So this is how you just take it out, and so you just put it back in. So easy. Once you hear the click, then it's fully and securely installed. Okay, now you just have to choose the place where you want to mount it. So I don't want to mount it too high, I don't want to mount it too low, so I'm going to choose it in between. Now before we do that, we need to clean the helmet surface with an alcohol swab and let it dry for 5 minutes. I'm going to let it dry for 5 minutes. So now after this, I have to take these off and then just stick it. I'm going to do it very carefully, and then once it's done, I'm going to show it to you because I have to wait a couple of minutes anyways for it to dry. Alright, so this is the helmet. Now it's dried, and now I'm going to take out the tape and I'm going to stick the helmet. I believe I should put it completely at the top so I'm able to open and close these vents as well. That's a good thing I found out. So now I'm going to mount it like this, not here, here. Now I'm going to take off the 3M tapes. So these are off now. I'm gonna stick it. So now see, this is sorted. So all you have to do is mount your camera here and you're done, right? This is so neat compared to what we had earlier. I hope you guys like the video, and I'll be posting more videos like this very soon. So stay tuned, please subscribe and like. Thank you.